If you carry on up the canal following this way path, it will take you towards the Asda. I think it's Corridon interchange. But we're going to take a left now off here, which will take us back down to where we come from. Just walk over this bridge first. Show you where you can walk. Follow the path up around there. Right, you take the path to the right. Which brings you out onto an open field, which you can walk through. I think there's a path the other side, just to show you your options when you actually come. Quite a few routes you can take. Spend a whole couple of hours, even a day down here. By the time you spend a couple of hours in the hide, there's a nice walk you can go for. And turning back across the bridge now, go down that path to take us back to where we started from. Go through the gate here. Further down there's another path to the right. Just take you on a walk. If you come down by here. And if you go left by here, that'll take you back to the first side, which is just up on the left hand side. As you can see, we come down from there, on the right hand side from the canal. And carry on around to the right, back up here, towards the car. Right, this is where I started. I mean, if you come from that way, that takes you down to the warden's office and the orchard. But we come from this way, so this is on the way back up to the car. As you can see, this is where a lot of people park their cars, and then they cross over onto the path by there and walk down to the heights.